Hi, I'm Jeff, and I have a tip for you. If you're not using diagrams in Dundas BI, this is something that I would urge you to check out. You may not think about it as having an obvious use, but you'd be surprised how many creative applications you might have for something like this within your business. In this example, I'm showing things like a diagram showing a floor plan or injuries on the human body, but it could be anything. What about a process flow? Everybody in business has a process where things move from phase A to phase B, and you might want to visualize that process on the dashboard. So there's a lot of places where you can use this. Let me show you how easy it is to build your own diagram. So essentially the data is simple. You've got some kind of binding, so names of something, the things you want to color basically, and a number, and that's all it's going to take. Usually people, when they want these to look great, will get a graphic artist involved, but it doesn't have to be that complex. You can actually go into any free SVG editor, even Visio will do this, Adobe Illustrator, but draw something, whatever you want it to be. And if I go over here and I view source, all I need to do is make sure that anything that I want to color is named, basically. So in my case, my data was line 1, line 2, line 3. So let's just put these in. Just change it to 2, 3 as a quick sample. I'm not drawing anything great here. Let's say OK. Actually, let's go back to source. Let's just copy this. And I would save this to file. Where's the option here? Save image. Yeah, so it's going to save an SVG. Now we go to our dashboard. Drag that SVG onto the screen. You'll see that it'll upload it. And then it's simply a matter of attaching data to it. So in my case, here's my data. I've got a nice little view that updates in real time and has some numbers in it. So I attach it, I attach a number, and that's all it's going to take to get a live diagram that you've created on your own dashboard. So check it out. Hope this helps.